I would like to guide all of you the steps to sculpt on leaves.
Step 1. Draw on leaf. Steps 2. Trimming white background. Keep black background.
Remember not to cut leaf veins. This image is quite complicated. Because black background is so small, take a sculpture meticulously.
Otherwise, it will be easy to break leaf veins.
This item will be broken. Hey yes guys, I use jackfruit leaf. Jackfruit and Bodhi leaf are two types of very endurable leaf.
They're not too thin or thick.
They also are very well kept. Don't hesitate to comment if you have any questions. I'm willing to reply immediately.
You can decorate these items in bedding or living room. They're so interesting.
I'm planning to launch decorated video for bedding or living room. Follow me.
Give me more motivation by like and subscribe my channel, guys.
Almost done. Already 90%.
Done. Now let's use some amazing animation to make items more awesome.
Good luck to you.
Goodbye.